Hello guys and welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to review this book, which is 100 World's Greatest Short Stories. And this is, I think, this is a pretty thick book, as you can see, but I would recommend this book to all the beginners who are starting to read. Why? Because short stories, like, if you give them novels, big novels, then they will be like, अरे यार इतना कौन पढ़ेगा यार, बहुत बड़ा है, and they'll like lose interest. But this has much amount of short stories, and the short stories are like they'll start like this, एक दो पढ़ता हूँ एक दिन में, and then once they complete this, do another, and after 2 to 3 intervals they see, यार मैंने इतना कवर कर लिया तो मैं थोड़ा और पढ़ता हूँ. So that is the basic reason behind telling this for beginners. Now even elders can read it, and और कुछ चीज़ें यहाँ पे है जो like ये सब पढ़ सकते हैं, like it's everyone's read and it's a must read from my side, because like I have read some of the short stories, not some of the, I have read most of the, there are many good stories. Even Aesop, or what we call Aesop short stories, basically the rabbit and the tortoise tales, the shepherd boy's tale, they are also included. And then we get short stories of Ambrose, Anton Chekhov, Arthur Machen, Arthur Quillier Koch, and many more. I'm not going into much details. If you want to buy this book, I think I'll give the link to this book in the description. Though I bought it for only $150, it's in US dollars, $10. I bought it for $150 from a book fair that was going on. This book was one of my worth reads. Like, there's a story, wait, let me see which story. I think this one, the Looking Glass. No, not this one. No, I'm not finding that one. Like, a man with two legs dressed on the Looking Glass chameleon. No, like, I'm not getting that story, but I'll tell the premise of the story. Basically, it's like a boy or a girl, it's not specified, it depends on the author's gender. He or she is like saying that, why should I hear the tales of Jesus from a priest rather than why not the sky, because, or the stars, because this is a much philosophical concept. Basically, this means that if we say that if a person is dead, then he or she goes into the stars. So, and if there is Jesus, then from there I'll know he's like, I'll maintain the originality of the thing, because whenever you get or hear it from this, like, there's a middleman between these two, things get a lot messy and mundane. So yeah, and it has Anton Chekhov, like, let me say some famous people whom I have heard of at least. Anton Chekhov, one of my best reads or author which I like. Charles Dickens, Guy the Mississipant, what to say, Mufasa. It's Mufasa stories are there, and believe me, each and every of them, like the two friends, the two little soldiers, they're too good. Like, I like them. I love these at least. Kate Chopin, Leo Tolstoy is there, and there are many more. Oscar Wilde is there, O. Henry is there. Why not read this? This is a must read. All of these people wrote much more things, and the description of a short story, it's written, a short story must have a single mood and every sentence must build towards it. Edgar Allan Poe. So here is the quote, and this writing is pretty well. Like, it says, the short story is one of the finest forms of writing, as a short paragraph at times or as lengthy as a novel. Short stories are widely read and immensely loaded. some of the most exceptional writers have dabbled in the form of penning beautiful, unforgettable stories. Yes, like it's one of the best short stories I have ever seen, and this collection is really good. I'll link to this in description if anyone wants to check it out. Out of 5, I think I'll rate this. How much? Like, I'll rate this 5 out of 5 because like it's not just one author, it's many authors, and here you just can compare on many things. So I'll give it a 5 out of 5 because there's no comparison. But honestly, this is a good read, must read, and a beginner read. It has some pretty lucid languages. Many of the authors, like as its short stories, I've seen many short stories are really complex things, but this has way simplified things. And my favorite short stories are The Leaf by Oscar Wilde. Sorry, O. Henry, I think. Should I put this part? Whatever. I like The Proposal, and then I have many much short stories. Like here I love the Aesops because that literally that was so much relatable to my childhood. I had listened each and every of this one of the stories. Even one of them I think was so told that I told it to the persons not knowing the reason behind it. It's a pretty good read, you must try it. So here's the video. How did you like my review? If you want more things and what review do you want, link comment it down. Sorry, and I don't know why the comments have turned off. I think it's due to a glitch. If you can't comment, you can search my name Parambrata Moitra in Instagram. I'll say the spelling PARAMBRATAMAITRA, and you can follow up me there. I also have a recommendation page of Instagram, which I think I'll be active from now. You can recommend things me in my Instagram too. If the comments don't work, I'll give this link and my Instagram link in the description. Be sure to check them out. If you like this video, like, comment, whatever your suggestion, what you want to be reviewed by me, and share it. If someone's if someone requires the review, share it to them. If it's like you want to buy this, then you can even just check out this review, and like whomever you are giving, you can show them this video. That's it.